What's up guys, Kara here, and today I will be showing you guys how I edit my photos with Pixlr Photo Editor and Pixlr Photo Express. And these are the two main programs I use with all of my thumbnails since I've been using YouTube. So I am now finally showing this to you guys and my secrets. so, um, I'm just in this video I'm just playing around and I just picked this blue color, a random shape, and you could just pick any shape you want, any color you want. For in this video I just picked blue. So as you can see, I was just going around just finding something I like, what goes with it, and as you see, some stuff depends on the color, might not look as bright or as relevant, but the most important thing is to mess around and just see what you interested in. I picked a random character, which is Captain Levi from Attack on Titan, and I picked the clean freak version of Levi because, long story short, Levi as a child been through hell. He been through a lot of stuff, traumatizing things that he never had anything great at all. It was like sickness around him. He was just always dirty and filthy. He lived in a dirty environment, and that's why he became a clean freak that he is right now. So that's why I picked Levi, and I just think it's really cute to pick that version of Levi for this video. But again, I was just picking a random character that come to my mind and picking a random color. As you can see, I was just moving things around. I was just adding another picture of him, see what's gonna fit, and like I said, just playing around with it. So I was just experimenting. So it's just something I just threw out there, if you know what I'm saying. But you're just putting some effort in, a little bit, a tiny bit of effort, just basically having fun with it. So as I go back to edit this, so I was just going around picking a frame and just playing around with it. I know you're saying this, I'm trying to make this short and sweet, and yeah, just have fun with it. It's the best program to just for beginners, that is. And you could just it's just a lot of options. There's like different stickers, quotes, backgrounds, overlays, adjustments, just a lot of stuff. And then the great thing about this free program that they change their stuff around. It doesn't stay the same. They add new stuff, they take away the most irrelevant stuff, and they just add new things. So it's always something new. So I thought this is not going to turn out well, but at the end it turned out amazing. I was just freestyling. This is not for no specific video. I just made it, and that's how easy it is. But the one thing that's going to be a little bit difficult is photo editor, and you gotta know the tools and how to work with the tools. You know what I'm saying? And that's the only thing you need to be concerned about. It will take you a moment or two to know the tools, but not that much of a hassle. But yeah, I am so happy how this picture turned out. It was amazing. So that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.